refractive index of glass slab using traveling microscope. Dear students, this is the traveling microscope. So this has a microscope. So this is the microscope. So there will be a vertical scale as well as the horizontal scale. So the horizontal scale has similar to the vernier caliper. So the scaling of the traveling microscope is similar to vernier caliper. This is the main scale, this is the vernier scale. So the main scale is in centimeters, vernier scale is in divisions. Also in the vertical scale, what is that? This is the vertical scale in centimeter and this is the vernier scale in divisions. So there is a non-buffer. So are you able to see that? Different readings. So I will show the readings of main scale. So it is not clear. So anyway, so this is the vertical scale, this is the horizontal scale. Yes, students, don't adjust this one, this knob, because we are not no need to take any horizontal scale reading. Don't adjust this setup. Okay, so only we want to adjust these things. So if you move this side, there is a screw. So don't adjust this one. Whenever you need to move up and down, so you have to unscrew this one and then what you have to do that? You can move up and down. So then you have to tighten it. So don't adjust this one often. So in order to make the fine tuning, if you are rotating this one, so if you are rotating this one, what will happen? This part, so this part will move slowly upwards or downwards. If this part is moving upward downwards means vernier scale is moving upwards. That is called as a sliding scale. So vernier scale will slide over the traveling microscope. So whenever the vernier scale is moving upwards, the microscope is also moving. So this is the traveling microscope. The traveling microscope least count is 0.001 centimeter. Dear students, I want to give one additional information. Let us assume that this is the main scale of the traveling microscope. This is 0.1 centimeter, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, then 0.5. So this is the actual readings or the actual divisions in the normal centimeter scale. But in traveling microscope, there will be a small division between 0.1 and this one and this one. So it is easily identified. So this small point line is less than this length. So this is a 0. This black color is a 0.05 centimeter. So this one is 0.15 centimeter. So this is 0.25 centimeter because this line is a, what is this line? This line is a 0.1. So 0.05, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2. That is, this is 0.2. This is 0.2. Are you clear? So for each and 0.1, 0.2 division, there is another subdivisions are, that is each division is 0.05. That's why the least count is 0.001 centimeter. So you should keep in your mind. Whenever you are taking the reading, if there is a two divisions are there, like this. Okay. So the vernier scale 0 is exactly coinciding like this, means arrow mark is 0 of the vernier scale is like this. This is the main scale. So you have to see that the arrow will be exactly nearer to this. This may be a 2.7. That means it is a 2.71, 2.72 likewise. So it is exactly 2.7 means it is 2.750, 2.75. Okay. So So what reading we have to write? You have to take a lower reading. If the reading is in between these two things, you have to take the lower limit reading value as a main scale. So these things you should keep in your mind. So the reading taking is similar to the vernier caliper. Recall the vernier caliper reading taken. So I will send the vernier how to take the vernier caliper reading again in our group in Google Classroom in order to understand how to take the reading. So vernier caliper reading not at all having this 0.05 division. So if you understand the vernier caliper reading taking, that will be similar to this one. Okay.